It is a wonderful, wonderful gift that we can give to future generations. And to diminish the opportunities of experiencing Jewish life is a pity. To provide as many options, as many opportunities to live Jewishly, to enhance one's Jewish identity, to enhance one's intellect. Yiddish has so much in that area to enrich one that cutting oneself off from it is depriving oneself of a very rich and valuable inheritance. It's really as simple as that. It's really as simple as that. If we are looking for meaning in our lives today, which I believe we are, I can't think of a worse time that I have experienced. And I think for young people today, it is very difficult to be optimistic and to look forward and see something positive. I think we don't have any great leaders, political or intellectual or ideological or philosophical, to look up to. There is so much that our tradition and our Yiddish world has to offer to provide that today. When I've been translating much of Peretz's essays, and I am so awestruck by how relevant what he has to say, and what he had to say over 100 years ago, is today. It is exciting, it's challenging, it's invigorating, that it gives one hope. And we all need that today. And it's there.